Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk through how to connect your X account, formerly Twitter, to Highperformr AI. Connecting your profile gives you the ability to generate and publish posts directly from the platform, cross-post LinkedIn content with a single click, and track all engagement and performance data in one place. To begin, open the Post Creation Library and Hub. You'll find multiple entry points to connect your X profile. You can go to Integrations in the sidebar and select X under the Social Media section. You can also navigate through Settings followed by AI Agent Settings, which takes you to the same connection page. Or for the quickest path, click Connect X from the lower left corner of the Post Creation Library and Hub. Once you choose any of these options, you'll be redirected to X's official login page. Sign in securely with your account credentials. This process is handled entirely by X, and Highperformr AI never stores your password. After signing in, you'll see a permission screen. These permissions allow Highperformr AI to create, schedule, and publish posts on your behalf and to pull in post-level analytics so you can monitor performance inside the platform. You may see permissions related to publishing and analytics access. Both are required for the connection to work properly. Click Authorize App to continue. You'll then be brought back into Highperformr AI. At this point, you'll notice the integration for your X badge update and see that your X profile connection is active. You'll also see a connection status indicator that shows whether your X profile is active or needs reconnection. If the connection ever breaks, usually due to password changes or revoked access, you can quickly reconnect from the same page with a single click. With your account linked, you can immediately begin drafting and publishing posts from the library, cross-posting LinkedIn content on X with a single click, and tracking engagement from the Analytics tab. If you're part of a team, you can also give others access to post on your behalf. Just go to Settings followed by Team and use the Edit button next to a teammate's name to assign publishing permissions. You can also make any Highperformr AI user an approver for social media posts. This is part of a broader approval workflow which we'll cover in a separate video. For now, just know that you're giving permissions to a teammate inside Highperformr AI, not to the LinkedIn account itself. And that's it. Your X account is now fully integrated with Highperformr AI. From here, you can manage content, monitor results, and streamline your workflows across platforms. You can also connect additional profiles such as your LinkedIn page or other X accounts to bring all your publishing and insights into one central hub. For any further questions, feel free to reach out at teams@highperformr.ai. See you in the next video. Thank you.